It's also fun to be out and about enjoying the sunshine, as Jason Hood and his buddy Eddie are doing. Jason sent this picture to me on Facebook and he said, if this isn't an indication of how great this weather has been, I don't know what it is. Great capture there, Jason. Thanks for sending that in. I'm calling it the dog days of spring. If you have a weather picture, perhaps this weekend, of how you're out and about enjoying the great sunshine and warm weather, send it my direction. You can do that on Facebook like Jason did. Also Twitter, KEZI.com, and of course email always works as well. Love to see how you're enjoying this great weather like Eddie has been. Now, high temperatures yesterday were actually on the warm side. We managed to get back up into the mid 70s once again. 78 was the high in Corvallis and Eugene. Head south, even warmer, back into the 80s in Roseburg and Medford. Portland also nearly 80 degrees there yesterday. Did get up to 80 in the Dalles. Even central and eastern Oregon all back into the mid 70s at this point. Head out to the coast, 70 for those of you in North Bend. Further south into Brookings, another 80-degree day. Fourth one so far here for 2013. Now, again, just a little bit of a reality check here. This is not normal for this time of year. In fact, 78, that's 14 degrees above average for this time of year. The record, even warmer, though, than we've been, 87. That was the case back in 1946. Now, this morning, we're waking up to these clear skies once again. Temperatures, though, already starting to warm up. We're sitting at 44 right now. That dew point clear down to 38 tells us that the air is pretty dry this morning. The winds are out of the north at 6 miles per hour. That'll help to keep us dry. We'll see those winds actually get pretty strong today from the north. This weekend, though, those winds will shift around to the northeast, and that's what's going to warm us up even further. Still looking at this big ridge of high pressure sitting over the eastern Pacific. That's going to continue to block any other storms from moving into our neck of the woods. And that high pressure sticking with us for the next 7-day stretch. We will see some variations to our weather, though. The hottest conditions will be this weekend as we see a heat low that is formed over northern California. That's going to start to drift to the north this weekend. What happens is when it gets super warm, like it's been in northern California, mid-90s there, creates its own low pressure system. And that drifts to the north, and with low pressure we'll get those strong east winds off the Cascades. Not only does that heat us up just because it's from the east, but also that air compresses as it slides down the slopes of the Cascades. As it compresses, it's forced to heat up. So it's that extra feature at the surface that brings those temperatures even warmer. Then as we head into early next week, we'll see a return to that onshore flow, which will drop our temperatures down a bit. Here on Precision Cast, again this weekend, all day today, all day Saturday and Sunday, nothing but blue skies and toasty temperatures. The coast in the low 60s, again pretty breezy, gusts up to 30 miles per hour from the north. You're looking at those low 70s for Saturday, mid 60s still Saturday into Sunday, and then we'll see those temperatures cool down a bit as we head into the middle part of next week. The Umpqua Basin, low 80s for you today, sunny and warm, continuing to see those temperatures climb all the way into Sunday. Then we'll bring it back down as we head into the middle part of next week. Cascades also nice and toasty. Freezing level clear up to 12,000 feet. Mid to upper 60s, sunny and mild. Low 70s in the foothills. Low to mid 70s as you head over into central Oregon. You could see a few thunder showers firing up as early as Monday. And for the valley, back into the upper 70s today. Low 80s for both Saturday and Sunday. We screamed right past that 7-day, but I want you to
go back. Yeah, go back.
We got to go back. We got to get back to that.
Ooh.
There we go. 75 Monday, and get a little bit cooler as we head into the middle part of next week, but still, that's all above average.
Okay, 70 though, is that you're saying that's above average?
The average is 64. So even 70, the coolest day in this week, is still 6 degrees above average. It's just mind-boggling.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
All right.